Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We just visited Mount Rushmore and we literally just drove, I don't even know, a couple miles down the road and we came to this beautiful lake with a beautiful campground. So it's kind of confusing. There's not somebody like at the gate. It says find an empty spot and we'll find you later. So we don't really know how it works, but we have a site picked out, so hopefully we can get it. So me and Zena just walked this nice little path down to where the RV spot is where we want to stay. This is some of their tent sites. Let's see the lake. Wowza. So this place is $28, and if you have a pet, you have to add $2. So $30 to stay at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lake. Zena, look at that little quicho. Oh, it just ran up the tree, Zena. Oh, look at it. Zena, it's so cute. The stairs could be kind of dangerous here. Right now, me and Zena are actually walking up to the entrance of this place so that we can tell you guys what the name is, because neither me, Zena, or Mr. Cameraman remember what the name of this place is. Okay, we finally got up to the front of this place. The campground is just right across the street from we just walked. Horsethief Lake Campground in the Black Hills National Forest. It's a super, super beautiful place. So that lake we were just looking at is the Horsethief Lake. Absolutely beautiful. I really hope we can stay here. So here is the little hut where you register. And I still don't think anybody's in there. But here's a map of the place. So the campsite we want is, I think it's 26. So it doesn't make any sense. So non-reservable sites are those ones and these ones. So right here, if the host is not present, please occupy any vacant non-reservable site and the host will visit you upon their return. And pets are an extra $2. But this is a reservable, but on the little ticket thing, no one has reserved it. So currently, Mr. Cameraman is seeing, it says that the host will come see you, but we haven't seen a host. And then they sell that stuff too. Oh, that's pretty cool. Salmon eggs. Ooh, that sounds terrifying. You can buy them for $5 though. Propane, bait, marshmallows, graham crackers, dog leash, can opener, church key, have no idea what that means. All sorts of stuff. But yeah, so we really don't know what to do next. So we are just going to hang out down there and see if someone comes and takes our money. And while we wait for that to happen, Mr. Cameraman is getting hopefully onto a website to see if he can reserve the site online instead of us just sitting and waiting. Here's the firewood they sell. I think it would be pretty cool. It's a beautiful place, and like I said earlier, we are right next to Mount Rushmore. One of the biggest reasons we like to camp in these beautiful parks is, just realizing that God has created all of these plants, all of these hills, and now we just get to explore all of them. Right now we have been on I don't know, actually, it's been over 2 months now, I think, of a camping trip. and we are just slowly making our way back to Arizona. Dear God, thank you so much for blessing us and our family as we are making the longest camping trip ever in our camper. And we just pray that any of your other children who want to also explore and who want to go out and enjoy the nature that you've created, God, we just pray that you can lead them on the right path so that they are able to do that, God. We just pray that all of your children can come enjoy your beautiful craftsmanship in the nature of all of these gorgeous plants and lakes. We pray this in your ever-creating name. Amen. One thing I cannot believe about this place is how freaking pretty the rocks are. I feel like the video is not doing them justice. Probably something that only I would notice, but the rocks are like absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This place also has a trail right here. Oh, there's one of those little creatures. So this is the Wilderness Trailhead. So from what it looks like, it appears to go around the lake, but there are stairs over there too. Holy guacamole, guys. There's a little baby turtle! Do you see it? Look at how cute he is down there in the water. I really like this place. So, what happened is, I don't even know how long we've been here so far, but still no one has driven down to our campsite. Me and Zena went up to the little front area, and there's still no one up there. So we are just going to wait longer. Mr. Cameraman found the website, but on the website, even though on the little hut when you first drive in here, it says that the site we have picked is reservable. So it's not first come, first serve. Well, when you get on the website, for tonight only, which doesn't make any sense, it is first come, first serve. So we are just going to have to wait it out, I guess. Look at how pretty all of the wildlife here is. I'm walking around this little trail, and right now I'm just walking around this little path that appears to go around the whole lake. I did, on this side by where there's no campsites, there's just like a parking lot over there. They do have another bathroom. Here the bathrooms are nice and clean, but they are just holes like down into the ground. So if you're okay with that, this would be a good place for you. And then right here, let's see, no garbage services. This area is open to foot and horse travel year-round. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, if you have liked what this little campground looks like, definitely come check it out sometime. And yeah, if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one. Bye.